I'm Marlis from Adventures with Tea, and we've got a extra special Gadget Friday. Today is Fiesta Friday, because tomorrow is not only Cinco de Mayo, but it's also Derby Day. So we have a fun recipe for a mint tea julep, non-alcoholic version on our website, which you can go check that out, adventureswithtea.com. But I wanted to show you some great gadgets for making this drink. First of all, we've got a stainless steel shaker cup here, and I've got the drink all mixed up inside. I don't think I can tilt it enough for you to see, but it's a mixture of lemonade and mint, our mint on the veranda tea. So anyway, so that's all in there with ice, as you can probably hear. And then we have this Hawthorne strainer, which you may have seen, but you may not have known what it was called. But it's this strainer that's got this little spring ring, kind of a slinky looking ring around the side. And you just put that on the top and it holds your ice back as you pour. So I'm going to try to pour without making a complete mess here. Hey, what do you know? I did better than I thought. So there we go. So here is our mint tea julep, and if I had one, I would stick a little mint sprig in the top and we would be good to go. So there you go. Happy Cinco de Mayo, happy Derby Day, and enjoy your mint tea juleps. Bye.